Hi, welcome to day 100 of trying to work with conductive thread and sewable LEDs so I can make a wearable crop top that when I get a new like, everything lights up, and when I get a new sub, everything lights up. Why? I don't know, I just thought it was fun and I had a lot of LEDs and it's actually day 8 only, and I decided that I'm not going to be procrastinating anymore on this, so today my main goal is that I need to connect to the YouTube API. If I manage to do that, I think that would be it for today because I have plans and tomorrow is my birthday, so we will just leave it here. So let's get started. Status update. I'm following the tutorial on how to connect my board, this one. So I'm trying to connect it to the Wi-Fi, but I see that now it's connected. So now I will try to connect to the YouTube API. Reset this because it just gave a fatal error. This is working. Now I guess I need to think about how to make something with this, you know? So every time that I get a new view, I want the LED to light up. Okay, I got the code from the library. I was also doing a YouTube search trying to find a way of how to add the LED here. Okay, now it's blinking, but because it's uploading, I have unsubscribed from another channel that I have. So now it should be to 423. And here, very soon, maybe in like some minutes, okay, now it's connected, so we have 423. And the LED is not blinking at all. But now I'm going to subscribe again. And now, in some minutes, we should expect this to blink. And the subscriber count to update to 424. Okay, here it comes. Have you seen it? It was blinking. And now you would be like, everything is working, you should be happy. Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy that everything is working. I didn't expect it to work. I'm like shocked because I thought it would take me like literally 100 days to connect to the YouTube API, but it's working. Seriously, maybe I can be a data resolution queen and I didn't know. I know I only connected one LED to YouTube, it's not much, but this is the beginning of something. We can achieve a lot of stuff from this, you know, we have power now. So I guess that now that everything is working, I can just rest. That's it. Bye. I think this is from my mom. Oh, these are one of my favorite flowers. I'm officially 28. The 30s are coming and that makes me a bit anxious, to be honest. Well, it used to make me anxious, not anymore, because now I have kind of everything figured out for like 5 to 10 years. I don't know, I have like some plans going on here, I'm not telling you yet. I'm procrastinating on making this into an LED crop top because, you know, it already works. The one LED connected to the YouTube API is working, then why I need to make this? Well, because I said I would. But for some reason, I'm always like this. When I have to make the concept, I'm very happy. When I have to test it and make like a quick prototype, but not even a prototype, just test it, I do it. But when I have to actually build the prototype, that I don't like. This is when my procrastination starts, because I start overthinking and I'm like, do I really need to make this? Not really, I could make something else, something more productive, something more useful than an LED crop top that lights up when I get the view, you know? So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing today. Even I don't want to, but we're going to be doing this today, yes. So we have the code from the other day and now I'm just going to subscribe again to see if this lights up in some minutes. Yes, it's working. I ordered some stuff at Flying Tiger because I wanted to organize this desk a bit better because I don't like how this looks. I kind of gained like a lot of space here, which I will appreciate very much. I expected this to be smaller and this to be bigger, but whatever, it's fine, I'm not going to complain. This is going to be very helpful when I need to get new LEDs. And Oreo says hi. And here I have, well, what I'm working on, and then I just place here the soldering iron and other stuff. And everything else is just here because I don't really use it on a daily basis. Okay, Okay, so what I'm just going to be doing is to connect multiple LEDs to this, so we get an idea of how all the LEDs are going to be looking all together. We can just do this with jumping wires. Now the next step is going to be that I need to fill the LEDs into this crop top, and that would be it. Of course you have to be here, right on top of my top. Are you happy? No, it's fine because it's not connected to the battery, but you shouldn't be here. Why are you here? Okay, so I'm going to put this on. I hope I don't die. I have like zero confidence in this. See, it's already broken. It actually looks cute. Is it working? I cannot see. I think it's working. Yes. I just subscribed again because I want to see it working again. But to be honest, I think it's not very efficient because you don't really get to see it lighting up unless you are looking down, which is a bit weird. Like now. I need to try it on without this. Okay, let's do this. I hope I survive this. Is it working? Yes! I can't believe that something that was meant to take a couple of days ended up taking 3 videos, which is like 10 days. I mean, I haven't worked a full day, you know, I might have worked 1 hour one day and then, I don't know, maybe like 3 hours another day, maybe one day 6 hours, plus the editing, which has taken me also a lot of time. But yeah, I think that I learned a lot, which is the important part, I think. I also relearned a lot. I was very stubborn. I didn't read the documentation properly, I didn't do things as they were supposed to, and to be honest, I also didn't stick to the plan because I was like, what if I visualize my heartbeat? And then I was like, what if I had heat pads instead of only LEDs, so when you get a new like or sub, whatever, you know, you light up with the LEDs, but you also feel the warmth of the audience. And I was like, okay, Martina, stop, because this is only a small project to get you back to Arduino. This is not supposed to be a revolution, you know? So yeah, you haven't seen half of the dramas of this vlog, you haven't, because I made a lot of cuts. If not, we would have very long videos, and yeah, I don't want that for you. And yeah, regarding the vlogs, I'm going to be vlogging more projects, but I'm not going to be doing that until September because I'm going to be working from Mallorca and I'm not going to be able to take all my stuff with me. So yeah, I will be making another kind of content, but not this kind of content. I hope you liked this video, and if you did so, remember to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think. What is your background? Have you ever worked with Arduino? Have you ever made a wearable? And these kind of things. I'm very interested to know more about you. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!